Welcome and thank you for choosing GetSafe. Our goal is to help you install your system quickly and easily. Let's get safe. First, you'll fill out the included vial of life and place it somewhere that is easily accessible for first responders. Before we install, let's go over each device. We have the control panel that acts as the hub of the system. The voice-activated device, which can be triggered in 3 different ways. The wireless wall button for additional safety in high-risk areas. And the optional wearable button. All devices in the initial package will be already programmed for easy setup. So let's get started. The control panel features an emergency call button or reset button, a hands-free speakerphone, a backup battery, and a cellular modem. LED indicators display the system status. This is the main hub of the system, and all devices will transmit a signal to the control panel, which will alert our 24/7 monitoring centers. To install the control panel, follow these 3 easy steps. Number 1, plug directly into a standard wall outlet, not controlled by a light switch, and not into an extension cord. Number 2, turn the power switch to on and listen for the cellular signal strength percentage. If you do not hear any verbal commands, please contact tech support. Number 3, check the LED indicator for system status. If the indicators are green, the device is ready to be used. If the indicator is not green, please contact tech support. Before mounting the other devices around the home, it's important that you test every device, including the control panel, to ensure everything is connected and working properly. So if you have multiple wall buttons, you will want to test each one. Let's start by testing the voice-activated device, as this is our most used device. It offers 3 ways to trigger an alarm. 1. The pull cord. 2. Pressing the red help button. 3. Activation by voice, saying call 911. Call 911. Keep in mind, when an alarm is triggered, it will transmit a signal to the control panel and they will work together. After an alarm is triggered, our monitoring center will be alerted, and a live dispatcher will come over the 2-way speaker to assess your needs. Let's give it a try to show you how it works. For this first test, we will trigger the alarm by utilizing the voice activation.
Call 911. Call 911.
That's it. So let's go ahead and use the pull cord this time. If the dispatcher cannot hear you, they will attempt to contact you by phone. If they cannot establish communication, they will treat it as an emergency and follow the protocols set up on your emergency plan. Now that you've tested each device and everything is running perfectly, you are ready to place them around the home. We always recommend high-risk areas and commonly used spaces, such as bathrooms, the kitchen, stairways, and the bedroom. The device can simply be placed on the wall with the included adhesive tape. Just peel, stick, and give it a good press to make sure it's secure. Congratulations, you're all set up. For further information, visit www.getsafe.com.